Hey yo guys, what's up? Welcome back for a brand new video. So yesterday I posted a poll on Instagram saying if you want me to film a video spending $10 in Brazil or trying local restaurants. 68% of you said you want me to spend $10 in Brazil, so let's do it, baby. Okay, so I haven't had breakfast yet. Right now I'm gonna go get some 𝕊𝕐𝕐𝑘𝑚 with some juice on the side.
I still got some racks in the trap house with the 42. I'm blowing her back out. I'm back in my bullshit. Spin back with a full clip.
Calm down.
It's okay, I'm sorry.
He apologized.
So guys, so we just got the 𝕊𝕐𝕐𝑘𝑚. It was 3 reais, which is less than $1. I got like 4 pieces. So right now I'm gonna go get some juice and then we're gonna eat. So the place that sells natural lemon juice was closed. So right now I'm in the supermarket. I'm gonna get to be honest, I don't know what to choose. Should I get some protein or normal lemon juice? I think they don't have it. Ah, fuck my life. There's chocolate with sweet potatoes and there's chocolate. I'm gonna get chocolate. I parked my bike in the sun and right now my ass is burning.
Why are you crying?
So right now I'm sitting in a public place. I'm gonna eat those and then I'm going home. The 𝕊𝕐𝕐𝑘𝑚 is so cheap. I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces for 3 reais, which is less than $1, by the way. Ah, I love Brazil. Now we have spent 9 reais for breakfast, which is nothing, with less than $2. I'm full. There's one left. So okay, let's go home.
Hello.
I'm so sexy. I'm looking like fucking pineapple. Better? Ah, fuck this shit. So I just delivered this 𝕊𝖐𝖏𝑚. Right now I'm gonna go home. Right now I'm gonna go take a quick bath and then I'm going to my cousin's house. We have like a little lunch because you know it's Sunday.
You naughty. You teasing me, you naughty.
Bitch, I'm outside of some movie.
Bitch, I'm outside of some movie.
Blue cheese. I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this bitch.
So right now I'm gonna go to my cousin's house, but before I go there, right now I'm craving some brigadeiro, to be honest. Brigadeiro is the thing. Basically it's chocolate powder mixed with condensed milk and has chocolate sprinkles. It's something so delicious, just like me. Guys, so I just arrived to the supermarket. Right now I'm gonna get some more brigadeiro. So they didn't have brigadeiro, so I ended up buying this. It's filled with chocolate. So I got it. It was $3.45, which is also less than $1. But I haven't tasted it yet, so I don't know if it's worth it or not. Hey yo guys, so let's try this, which is like bomba de chocolate, which is in English chocolate bomb, and I am a Muslim bomb.
Hi.
Okay.
Drugs. guy.
You naughty, naughty.
By the way, look at this sexy cup I got.
No.
It's basically brigadeiro sandwich. Kind of. Yo guys, so I just ordered a burger for lunch because my Instagram said so, even though I wanted to eat the pizza. But yeah, whatever. So the total was 25 reais, which is like $4. But the burger alone is $3. To be precise, $2.90. But the delivery was $1 and the soda was $1, so I have been waiting for the burger for the last hour. But the thing is, here in Brazil, nothing opens before 7 p.m. Which is kind of smart, because who would go out before 7 p.m? But like, the thing I like the most is that they opened at 7 p.m. and the sandwich was delivered at 7:03. All of this for $3, to be precise, $2.90. So basically I ordered the salad burger, which doesn't have the eggs and the bacon. So basically it's a burger but lighter a little bit. I ordered it without bacon and extra cheese because I don't eat pork.
Oh my god! Wow!
So let's take the first bite. Damn, the cheese.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
It contains tomatoes, lettuce, extra cheese because I ordered that, corn, and potato chips. All of that for 15 reais.
Oh my god! Even though they broke. Oh my god!
And this size, that's pretty cheap in my opinion. This burger was something else, to be honest. So right now I'm gonna rest a bit, and then we're gonna go get some acai.
Yes!
Hey you guys, so I just got on the road. Right now I'm gonna go get some acai. And yes, I just arrived to the shop. So I ordered one with banana and some condensed milk and Nutella. The total was 17 reais. I ordered the medium one, which is like 400 milliliters. The total was 17 reais, which is 3 point something dollars. Not so bad, because this is like the best acai shop in Colina. Okay, so I just got the acai. Right now I'm going home.
Bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear.
Nothing.
Last but not least, I want to thank me. I want to thank me for believing in me.
By the way, this is a medium. It's literally filled up with Nutella and banana. Oh my god. Life is so good, to be honest. If you're depressed, go get some acai. And if you live in Lebanon, look at this big chunk of Nutella. So, this was the video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Tell me what you want to see on my channel in the comments down below. And to be honest, as you saw, Brazil is so cheap. I had breakfast, a snack, lunch, and also a snack for just $10.
I got all this water on me like Fiji. Bitch, I'm posted up with hats and the sleazies. Smoking the Zaza, it goes straight to the mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Open his lata, then he dance my chata. Smoking the Zaza, it goes straight to the mata. Then I'm up in the chopper.